It's slime, see? Ooh.
Hello. Mimi and Lele. Hi friends. Today we're gonna do slime. We have to wait for 30 seconds because we have to burn it. Yeah, and then shake. It's okay, we can clean it out. Oh my god. Almost add water all the way to the top and it's on the side. Wow! Just little wow, looks like magic. Now we're gonna put the lid on and shake it for 30 seconds. Okay, that should be enough. Now we wait 5 minutes. Now we're gonna open it and stir it with the spoon.
It's slime, see? Ooh.
Oh my god. Wow. It's okay. Hi friends! So today I'm gonna make this. This is a terrarium. Okay, I'm gonna use Can you tell me which color we have here? Okay, we have blue, pink, and purple. I think I'm gonna use these rocks. What is the color? White. Wow. These are transparent. Let's shake this up for being more comfortable. This is moss. It counts moss. But this color, what do you think it is? Like I call this green mixed with yellow. Now let's try and put it in. Now let's cut these. We're not gonna use all of it. Look, something to decorate. This is so cute, isn't it? And there we go. Let me show you the size on the left. open. Hello. Go, go, go. Wow. Look, friends, it's so easy. Yay! Oh, something's so beautiful. How can we do it? Oh, dear. Oh, I did it so good. Oh my god. It's like an egg. Oh my lord. There, I'm finished. Let me try. All done. What is it saying, friends? Look. Yay! Let me do it another one. Okay. Yay! Let's just play. Oh, I have an idea. There we go, friends. Now we're gonna let it dry. But like the sketches, these are sketches. And like, it's so beautiful. And I don't know, how did I make that? Mimi, it's so beautiful. But now let me try my BFF one. Okay, let me start. Let's begin. Okay, so I'm gonna put some pink here. Everywhere. Wow! This thing is so cool. Okay, so I'm a little done. Yay! I'm gonna trace the lines so the earth and the other white. All finished. It's so pretty. Ta-da! Look, friends. So we finished working on all of these, and this is mine. Which one is your favorite, friends? Yeah! But wait, Mimi, this table is a mess. Mama's gonna be very mad at me. Oh, I got this. This is so easy. So these were drying for a few hours, and look how they look like. I love the watermelon one. So now we're gonna do this. Wow! Okay, first we're gonna put this in. There we go. Oh! And now we're gonna tie a little knot like this. It's with a knot. Come here, friends. I'm gonna show you where's my rope. Should put it on my window. I have a rainbow and watermelon. Yay! Now we're gonna put it. Who's gonna put it? There. Oh. There we go, friends. Voila. Now it's my turn.